When you're messing with the JV1010, make sure the volume's all the way up, and it's also got to be on this performance mode. If it's on some other mode like this, it's not going to work. So you want to have it right on performance. Sometimes when you come to the board, there will be no gain turned on, and if you don't have any of this gain, you're not going to hear anything. So for most things outside of microphones, you put it up to about halfway there to make sure that you get sound coming in. I'm going to hit some keys in the keyboard just to make sure I have sound coming through. I see it's coming through here. Not too much. Too much it would be in the yellow or red, but it's good. Got green, so everything's okay. Make sure you also have the volume up on your faders. So turn this up here. Finally, I'm going to make sure it's up on the output. When you start Pro Tools, make a new track. Going to make a stereo track, and since you already have your MIDI track in there, you want an audio track, and that way you can go into the audio track, and here we're going to name it the JV1010 so we know where it's coming from. It's going to be audio for the MIDI track. Record enable it, and then we need to make sure that it's getting the inputs from the JV1010. So we go to JV1010, which is 9 and 10, set those inputs to 9, 10. Now when we hit record, it records from the mixer channel 910, the sound that's coming out of that. That's the sound that the MIDI is triggering. That's it basically. And you can do this with a bunch of extra channels, or you can record all of your MIDI channels at the same time into one WAV file. Once you have that, you can go to File, and you can bounce it to disk, and export as audio all of the MIDI tracks that you've printed to audio. Make sure to choose stereo interleaved and bounce it offline. Let's jump over there and check it out. So here's the MIDI files that are printed. Go to bounce file, and if we press spacebar, plays it back. And that's it.